so for today's easy curly girl hair routine, I'll be using the coconut cream by the Originals. That's the shampoo. This is the conditioning cream. It is all sulfate free. It has coconut milk, avocado, and some really nice oils as well. I start out by wetting her hair. Then I'm going to go in with the shampoo. Product is still sealed. Really important, guys, to make sure when you purchase a product that the seal is still on. You don't want to use something with a broken seal. Guys, I've noticed a trend going around where parents are washing their kids' hair with dishwashing liquid. I am really against that, guys. I mean, it's strong chemicals. I would not do that to my child, and there's no nourishment in there, nothing that will feed the hair or moisturize it. So I mean, the kids can't give you consent for what you're putting on their hair. If an adult decides they want to use that for their hair, it's one thing, but to do it to your child, I honestly don't think that's right. So that is why I buy, as far as possible, natural products, always sulfate free, to wash your hair with. Okay, so I'm going in with the conditioner. Smells amazing, super coconutty. I love it. As I'm applying it to her hair, it feels so nice and soft, guys. Smooth and silky. And that's what we want. We want to moisturize those lovely curls. This is a detangling bean, they call it, that I've got by Clicks. I paid $40 for it, so it's really worth it. Even these products I'm using, guys, I picked it up at Clicks. It's really affordable. It's all organic, as I've mentioned. It's coconut milk, avocado, and I paid 80 something rand for it, so just under 100 rand for the shampoo and the conditioner. Each is 80 something rand. So once I've rinsed the conditioner out of her hair, I then go in and then just comb it out. So I will basically leave her hair to dry, and if I notice that her hair looks dry once it's dried down, I go in with this product. It's called amla oil. If you're South African, then you are probably familiar with this product. It's a very well-known Indian brand, and this is what her hair looks like once it's dried down, guys. It's about 80% dry. It's just at the bottom that the curls are still a bit wet, but this is what it looks like. I think a bit later, or when I do intend on fasting it, I'll maybe add a little bit of the amla oil to the top part, but I think it looks pretty good. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.